Hello everybody, good day to you, welcome to my vlog. Okay, today as promised, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. As you all know, we actually planted a salad and also a kailan. Alright, it's about 2 weeks ago. We planted on the 10th of August. It's already 2 weeks, alright? I want to show you guys how it's been growing, and later on we might also want to harvest the lady's finger, the okra, and also some kangkong and also the spinach. Let's see how it's growing. Alright people, so this is the salad that we planted. It's actually growing. Surprisingly, it's quite slow, right? Because it's already 2 weeks and it's only, you can see like still the seedling part only grow this big, right? After about 2 weeks. So I'm not sure, I think it's relatively slow, but at least it's growing, right? And also here, this is the kailan. Also the kailan that we grow, that we planted 2 weeks ago together with the salad, and it's also growing. Alright, other than that, okay, today we actually wanted to harvest the okra because it's actually quite big if you have a look at this. So we might want to harvest it all, and also we're gonna harvest the spinach and also the kangkong. So you can see there's my little jungle there. Okay, let's get into it. Alright everybody, so from this little tree here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 okras, relatively big ones. I think these are all overripe, maybe it's a bit hard, so the smaller ones will be softer, I guess. Now the next one will be the spinach. The rest all we let it grow bigger lah. So that's it. We have. Now let's do the kangkong. Oh, kangkong we have a lot But for the kangkong, right, I'm not sure whether it will it grow back because we already harvested quite a few number of times already. So I'm not sure whether will it grow back. So we'll just need to wait and see. Right, wow. So folks, just a small little garden here in the balcony in the small little apartment. This is the result. Alright, so you can actually plant so many stuff. See all the kangkong? Wow. Alright, and you got your spinach and your lady's finger. Oh, kangkong is a lot. I didn't know I harvested this much. Should have just kept a few, but if let's say they get too old, right, then it's not nice. So at least now it's still crunchy. Still crunchy. See? So should be still nice. Okay folks, I guess that's about it. We'll also continue to keep you updated on the kailan and on the salad. Alright, it's just been 2 weeks. Should give them maybe another 2 or 3 weeks, then it'll be a bit taller. By that time I will make another video to show you. Anyway, thanks for your time, thanks for dropping by. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you are interested. A little gardening journey. Alright, thank you so much. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.